Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing this bulgur wheat recipe. So this is the bulgur that I use. You can choose any brand bulgur, it's the same bulgur. I have some fresh seasoning right there and the full list will be listed in the description. I also have my coconut milk, dry seasonings and scotch bonnet pepper. So this is roughly 2 cups, but if you want more you can always add more. So the next step is to go ahead and add the coconut milk along with some water and all the seasoning to your pot, and season to your desired liking. So once your pot starts to boil, add the bulgur, give this a nice stir and cover your pot. Make sure to put your stove on medium heat. So cover this and give this roughly 10 to 15 minutes or until most of the liquid is reduced. And then once most of the liquid is reduced, cover this with some foil wrap and then give this roughly 10 minutes to steam, and then your bulgur is ready. So after a couple of minutes of cooking, as you can tell, most of the liquid is reduced. So now I'm going to cover this with some foil wrap and then give this another 10 minutes to steam. So bulgur is ready. This look good, it smell good, and it tastes so good. I'm just gonna stir this now so you all could see the consistency, and it's not too soft and it's not too shelly. It's just right. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to try this recipe and see you in my next video.